Hello guys. Welcome to my channel Way to Future. From today I am going to start C programming tutorials. If you are a beginner and if you wanted to start coding, you landed at the right place. In this video I am going to start with basic of C language and how it started. What is C? C is a general-purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. It is a very popular language despite being old. It is being used nowadays too. Why learn C? It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. If you know C, you will have no problem learning other popular programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, C#, etc., as the syntax is similar. C is very fast compared to other programming languages like Java and Python. C is very versatile. It can be used in both applications and technologies. Difference between C and C++. C++ was developed as an extension of C, and both languages have almost the same syntax. The main difference between C and C++ is that C++ support classes and objects, while C does not. Get started. This tutorial will teach you the very basics of C. It is not necessary to have any prior programming experience. So in this tutorial let's watch some basic concepts of C.
For today let's do coding in online compiler. In later video I will explain how to do download a IDE and how to code in it. For online compiler, go to Programmiz online compiler or any other compilers you are comfortable with. Let's start the tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to write the basic code of C, that is Hello World program. In C every program starts with #include studio. Here this is called link. In next line we will write int main and then curly braces open and close. Inside this curly braces we should write prints hello world and we should keep semicolon at the end. If you didn't keep this semicolon, compiler will show error. In C you should keep semicolon at the end of every statement. This entire statement from int to end of curly braces is called main function. Printf is used to give us output. Here if you use int you should write return 0. At last year I typed return, which shows as an error by compiler. If you correct and run the code you will get hello world. If you run this hello world program successfully, you became a programmer. That's all for this video. In next tutorial we are going to learn about C syntax and writing comments. I hope you all will enjoy these tutorials. Thanks for watching.